guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change and rig ready Rams. I'm here to show you this 2020 Pacifica, so let's take a peek. Under the hood, you're going to have your 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine, super popular in a lot of our vehicles. This specific one is in the red pearl color, which is super popular. It's also got fog lights. If you come around to the side, the mirrors actually have blind spot monitoring, and then all these doors actually are going to be powered, so you just press that, they'll open up. And then same thing when we come around back here. As a power lift, you just touch it, opens up. And the coolest thing is it won't crush you, I don't think. It comes down, it'll automatically go back up, so you don't have to worry about your kids or whoever else. But we'll quickly look inside and finish up. And it is fully leather all throughout, so these are going to be heated, and so is the wheel. This one actually has a navigation system in it, as well as your Sirius XM, and then of course your TravelLink subscription, which is super handy. This has a whole bunch of storage all over the van. Of course, you'll have your stow and go, and then all these tiny little places to put stuff. It's also the 35th anniversary van, so there's a few little touches on the inside, like the colors on the door panels there, but we'll quickly look in the back and finish up. In the second row, obviously the leathers all throughout. You're gonna have the bench seat option, and this actually comes down as some cup holders. You also have DVD, and these seats will also recline actually back pretty far, so that's nice. But we'll look in the last row and then we'll be done. We touch on the stow and go. It's super easy, it's all numbered. You just go this and then pull it down, and that's it. So if you want to make this van yours or any of our other vehicles, give us a call, 780-942-3629, or sales@redwaterdodge.com.